Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to install Photopea. So get it started. At first open your desktop document. Now you can see then we going to the Chrome browser. Now click from search bar. Now select from search from Photopea. Now you can see then show the new interface, then Photopea online photo editor. Now click. Then we show the new interface in Photopea. Now select from more option. Now select from install Photopea. Now you can see then I show the install and cancel. Now select from install option. Now you can see then I show install, that it's. Now you can see already installed from Photopea in desktop. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.